Good evening, guys, and be welcome back to the channel. Today, we bring you something different as an inbox review. Today, we have the new Amahalo inductive series. This is the CA102 inductive display base. So what does this do? We're gonna find out all about it. Let's have a look inside the box. So here we go, my fellow colleagues. We have the Amahalo CA102 inductive display base. Amahalo is a fairly recent company and is offering inductive. What does that mean? This means that you can light up models without the need of having extra wires. Amahalo at the moment is offering three products. CA102, which comes without the acrylic enclosure. The CA101, which is basically the same base but with the acrylic enclosure, so models. And then it offers you the packs of LED, red, green, and white. Each pack comes with 4 colors per pack, of course. Sorry, we have 5 color options: white, red, yellow, green, and blue. I was missing the blue and the yellow. So yeah, we have 5 options of LED: white, red, yellow, green, blue. It comes 4 per pack, and you have 10 centimeters wire. And this is what they are offering. So this one CA102 is $27 roughly. The one with the acrylic is $40, and the LED packs is roughly 10. The question I asked to Amahalo is that if you buy the CA102, which comes without the acrylic part, is that if you can add the acrylic part afterwards. So they are working on that, on just the acrylic pieces to add to this one, and they are expecting to do that between July and August. Yeah, it's really worth it. So let's have a look inside and what we have. And this, remember, this is the CA102, so only display. So the package contains an inductive display case base, LED module pack for white LEDs, and have an input port power of USB-C, 5 volts to USB-C. The only downside of this is that it comes, but we all have. So coming here, you have the base and you have the white LED. So the way this works, fairly simple. You have your base, you have your USB. Let me grab my cable. Oops, I'm making a mess out of the desk. Yeah, down here. So USB on. So just picking these and putting them on there, you can see the LEDs are. There's no cables underneath. So you have your you have your 4 LEDs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they come on this lovely packaging. This much cable. As soon as you come close, to the base up. If you want a more concrete observation, you have these, my old build that I haven't finished, and let's say you want to put the LED on the front. Put it, comes up. So, and as you can see, no wires underneath this, and it's still on. Then you have the green ones as well. And again, I think for the price, it's a fairly good product. Can't go wrong with that. You have green one, it's on, red one. Red one out. On. Oh, red light. So I think it's a very cool trick. Illuminate you. Obviously, I'm not a car builder. Fairly well inside. I'm not a car builder, so I think I've come up with idea to use this. It will not be a car for sure. It will be something different. So if you guys want to see, not gonna miss anything. So this is the product. This is the concept. So you can light up your scale models without the need wirings, batteries, battery case, and if the battery is out, whatnot, don't need to worry because all runs through this base. And once this battery runs out, you just job done. So guys, let me know what you think about this product. Let me know if it is a good thing or if it is just another novelty that you guys are not interested in. Please let me know your thoughts, your ideas. I can share your ideas and thoughts with the guys back at Amahalo. They are absolutely brilliant, and I think they are willing to take that on board as well. So if you guys like it, please don't like and subscribe on the channel so that updates, and let me know on the comments. You all around.